guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play Slow Motion by Charles Lawrence. On the guitar we have the capo on the first fret, as you can see, which makes the chords super easy. So let's have a look at the structure. Basic structure, very simple. Start with the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, and the last chorus. So we have two parts to learn: the verse, pre-chorus, verse, pre-chorus, and the bridge. These three parts are actually same. Another part we have to learn a bit unique is the chorus, having a different chord progression. It changes a bit. So you got verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus. After the chorus you have the bridge and then the last chorus. So have a look at the chords. The first chord is a G major, which is 3-2, open, open, 3-3. Next chord is the A major, which is mute, mute, open, second, 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 open. G major, A major, then a B minor, which is mute, 2-4-4-3-2. Having problem with this chord, you can just play it like this. It's definitely a lot easy to play, playing the G string, B string, and only the high E string. So we got it. Then you have the D major, which is mute, mute, open, second, third, second. What else? We have covered all the chords. Now let's talk about the verse. For the verse, the strumming pattern will be the chord progression. Firstly, for the verse, pre-chorus, chorus. For the verse, pre-chorus, bridge is same. Just have a look at the verse. It's B minor, G major, D major, a pretty common A major strumming chord progression. So what I'm doing is, this is my favorite strumming pattern, which I just want to put in this song. I'm taking the individual notes, then I'm doing a down. So on the B minor chord, I play the A string, D string, then I do a down, and after doing the down, I just put my hand on the string to get the sound of the chord muted. So you got 1, 2, pap, 1, 2, 3, pap, 1, 2, 3, and that goes on the G major chord. I play the E string, D string, back. On the D major chord, you can just add your thumb on the second fret of the E string to get that the same note octaves over here. So I play the E string, then D string, and do a. And on the A major, play the A string, D string, and then do. So you see, it's basic thing: B minor, A D, G major, E D, D major, E D, and on the A major we have the A and the D. So we got. You can even just make your string pattern a bit more, having more jumps and up, likely when you just go to the pre-chorus. But for the pre-chorus, I just change the string pattern. I have the same chord progression, but I do 4 downstroke on each chord. It's basic, simple 4 downstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And like that, I just play the pre-chorus, and that applies to the second verse and second pre-chorus as well. So I got. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So nice and easy. You got the pre-chorus. Now we have the bridge. Yeah, I just want to show the chorus, but before that, have a look at the bridge because it's on the same chord progression. So we got B minor, then a G, then a D, then an A. But this time for the bridge, be a bit soft. You're just gonna do 1 down on each chord, and that will be enough. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, and you're done with the bridge. And then we have the chorus. Let's hop into the chorus. Chord progression: G major, changes, A major, D major, B minor. I repeat: G, A, D major, B minor. And the strumming pattern will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So basically on the ones, I am having the down, which strums a full chord, and on the 2 and the 3, I do down, which mainly focuses on strumming the bass notes. Hope you get it. Like the bass notes are on the A string, D string, or on the E string. There's like 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All are down over here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, like that. So the chord progression will be G, A, D, B minor. So let's play that once for each chord. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and that's almost everything you need for this lesson. So last chords you can just bang on, you can just be a bit more harder. And that's it for this lesson. So if this helps you all, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And yeah, the song came out on Friday, but I was actually too busy covering the other song as well as the Taylor Swift's full album. It took me a lot of time. I did it successfully, but I got late with this one. But never mind, we'll be covering more. Let me know down below any other song that you want to learn on guitar, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.